नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली IAS में। और आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 18। ओके। और मेरा टारगेट जो कि UPSC CSE 2024 इज ऑन 26 मई 2024 एंड द डेज रिमेनिंग आर 351 days. Okay, less than 1 year is there. So let us start what I will do in my today's schedule to achieve my that goal. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel so that you will not miss any important information. Okay, so let us start. Let us see what I will do today. Okay, as you can see, it's 10th of June 2023 and now I will plan my today's schedule. Today is Saturday. Okay, so basically initially first hour I will do my techniques training, Delhi IAS techniques training, special training required for to become IAS, different path from normal candidate. Okay, then actually today is Saturday, so Saturday is my you can say is weekly revision है ना, weekly revision. Whatever I have done, I will revise that all thing. So today, yes, so today I will not do these things, I mean these study block. Instead of this I will do weekly revision. Okay. So first techniques training from 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. Okay, that's fine. Then from first study block from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. during this time and during whole day basically I will do GS 1 2 3 4 and during 9 to 10 a.m. what I will do, I will do revision. I will say retrieval 3. Okay, retrieval 3 of GS1 Indian art forms. Okay, it is part of Indian art and culture of GS1. Okay, I will do it today. Let me save it. Okay, and time is from 9 to, you can say 11 to 12, 9 to 11. Yes, not 9 to 10 is sufficient. Let me save it. This only this event 9 to 10. Okay, then 11 to 12 also I will do retrieval 3 of GS2 international relation. Okay, 11 to 12 I will do this thing, this event. Let me save. Yes, and then 12 to 1 p.m. is my break time, वो lunch plus break. And from 1 to 2 p.m. I will do, let me edit, retrieval 3 of GS3. And in GS3 also I will do security. Okay, that's fine. Let me save it, only this event, J2 GS3. And from 3 to 4 p.m. I will do retrieval 3 of GS4. Retrieval 3 मतलब revision 3 of GS4. And topic will be aptitude and foundational values of civil services. Okay, so it is done. From 4 to 5 is that thing, and 5:45 to 6 is English improvement tenses. Okay, and then from 6 to 7 I will do revision of sociology. Okay, retrieval 3 of sociology optional, and in sociology optional also I will do topic of sociological thinkers, which is basically unit 4. Okay, so that's it. This was my today's schedule. And yes, 7 to 8 is buffer time, 8 to 9 is dinner break, and 9 to 10 is retrieval 1, whatever I have revised. So today I have not revised. Today basically all day I have done revision, so it is also buffer time today. BUFFER, buffer. Let me save it. And from 10 to 11 reflection, curve, and marginal gain. Okay, so this was my today's schedule. Hope you like it, and please subscribe the channel. It gives me more motivation to make more videos. Okay, thank you.